14 inches, isolated potentially 15 inches or so, and flooding continues to be likely. But there's the area of the flash flood watch encompassing all of our region, as you can certainly see. So the low tide, 7:11. I've left that on the graphic for one important reason, that when you looked at the tide gauge I just showed you a few minutes ago, low tide should have been about 1 foot. Base, or 1 foot that is, but basically it was 4 feet. It was 3 feet above normal, which means now the water really didn't evacuate. So now the high tide we're looking at here within the hour, and the water level's already about 7.7 feet above mean low water, when Charleston floods around 7 feet. And we really haven't reached the official high tide yet. So this certainly could be some tremendous flooding in our coastal areas. Low tide again at 7:04, and then the high tide at 1:39 in the afternoon. Yes, the tropical storm force wind probability is still very, very high. Right now it's 90 to 100%. All of the areas shaded in purple. So if you are
we in purple
right now, or listening
are we in purple?
Right now, WTMA, chances are pretty good you are going to see those tropical storm force winds, and really already have. We've had numerous gusts well over tropical storm force winds throughout the night tonight. And then you go back inland and still 70, 80, 90% chance as we head back even closer to
one like that just came through here.
This will be the telling tale, though. Not to sneeze at the tropical storm force winds, but our big concern is the potential that
it's just raining hard, and a big wind just came through.
As the storm gets closer to us.
Didn't you hear it?
The storm has 105 mile per hour winds, and again, it is going to weaken a little bit, but that is the kind of wind that could brush the beaches as the storm gets closer to us. The timing for that probably beginning 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, with the actual center nearby between 8 and 9. So overnight tonight, very, very close situation that we've got to keep an eye on, and we certainly will. That's why we're here. That's why we're broadcasting here through the night. All right, here is the 39 to 57 mile per hour wind. That's really verified if you look at some of the wind totals and gusts right now. Then we get into 58 to 73. That's in the red area. That will be lifting northward. Purple, that's where we expect the hurricane force winds. And really, you see a lot of the Charleston County beach communities, Edisto Beach, Folly Beach, all the way up maybe into Mount Pleasant, maybe as far west as Somerville, potentially Goose Creek or so. And then we head into the mid-morning on Saturday into the afternoon. And if all verifies that even some hurricane force winds could be felt up the coast as well. And then I think by tomorrow evening we will certainly start to see the weather improve.